Nine. You have class at 8:30 tomorrow morning. So I need you to be able to get on at 8:30 tomorrow morning. We're not going to take no test runs, none of that.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Zamira Imani back with another video. I know I ain't been here in a minute, but I'm back now, and I'm gonna be fixing my wig up because I had it since April, I believe. And yeah, but it's still in good condition. I'm gonna show y'all how to, get this joint popping. Alright, so I just showed y'all that you need a brush and a comb. You need some leave-in conditioner. That's the one that I use. It's good for your hair as well. You're going to need some scissors. Well, I needed scissors because I'm going to show y'all at the end. A water bottle, spray bottle, and some clips. Alright, so now you want to just saturate the hair in water. Like, really, 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 really get it in there. So you want to do all that. Spray, 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 spray. Make sure it is, like, not drenched, but it's, fully saturated. Alright, so after you saturate your hair with the water, I'm gonna need you to put that leave-in in there. Get that in there all through the hair, thoroughly. Get it through there thoroughly. But no, for real, make sure you get it all in. And it's actually a unit. I got it made. It's a unit. But make sure you get that leave-in conditioner in there, girl. Alright, so now you're going to bring them clips in because you're going to section off every part of the hair. And you're going to make sure you detangle it properly. Because we want this joint to look good. I look good. Yeah, just like that. As for the detangling process, whenever you're detangling hair, period, you make sure you go from the bottom to the top. Okay? You work your way up. Because we is not trying to be pulling hair out, okay? And I know I might be looking like I'm doing it a little rough, but it's not. No. We had minimum, a loss of hair, and it looked good. Just look at them curls. Yes! And then you're just gonna repeat the cycle throughout the whole head, Keep sectioning, detangling from the bottom to the top, guys. Bottom to the top. If you need to add more water to it, make sure you add more water. And you're gonna get that joint popping. Look, watch the process. Trust it. And while I have y'all attention, I want to tell y'all while I ain't been here for a minute, it's because I've been going through some things and I just been talking to God and I just been like, is this what I'm supposed to be doing? And he been telling me, girl, go for it. If that's what you want, then go for it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going for it. So y'all gonna be seeing a lot more videos from me. But I had to take a little break, hiatus, get my life together. But I'm back. I'm back, guys. I'm back. And again, y'all gonna hear me talking about my friends a lot because I love my friends. I love all of my friends. They are so supportive and they've been telling me, like, Zamira, get it together. Where's the videos? And I'm like, I got y'all. So I'm back. Thanks for y'all support. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah. But I want y'all to encourage y'all friends to do the same. Everybody need to be out here doing whatever they want to do. Get them dreams going. Turn it into a reality, you guys. For real. Like, it's time. Did I not tell y'all to trust the process? Look at it. It's all nice, detangled, curly. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. Alright, y'all. I'm a little excited. I can't even get my words out hardly. But this is what I brought the scissors out for, because I'm about to cut it into a little bob, you know. And follow me on Instagram at Zamira.Imani. Zamira.Imani. Because I'm going to be posting pictures in it in a little bit. I don't know when yet, but trust and believe, pictures will go up in that joint, and I'm gonna be looking good. So make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. Stiff well. No, but for real though, this unit is so cute. Like, oh my god. All right, so I had to spray it down a little bit more, crunch, you know, scrunch up the bottom, scrunch it, and you know, it's really cute, and I cannot wait to take pictures in it. It's so cute. All right, guys, it's a wrap for this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, guys. Make sure to get this out there, get this around. That's it. I'm out.